Get in there, Ethan!
Go.
Come on, Ethan! Stay open, keep on moving! Show them what you can do! This is your chance, Ethan! Cut, Ethan, cut!
Playing without the ball, thank you.
But it's not our ball.
Now get it back!
Left side, left side.
Come on, Ethan. On guard.
Blues early. Oh. That's not right.
Let's go, Sips! Do it again!
Ethan, stay with you guys. Run, Ethan, run!
Nice.
Turn around! Ethan, get in there!
Hunter!
Come on, guys, stop squeezing it. Doesn't need to be in there.
Good job, Ethan! There you go, Ethan! Nice!
Go, Nick. Come on, Nick. Go, Shawnee.
Not defense!
Yeah.
Money! Has to be white. Nico, you gotta help him. Gotta go. He needs help. He's gonna hold it. Go right in there. He'll hold it. Come on, Ethan. He's gonna hold it, I swear.
Get there, wing.
Other boys. Let's go, boys. Come on, guys.
Come on,
That's right, Nick.
Ethan! Look at Ethan!
Oh.
what? What team is
That's
that?
called, it's Igloo.
Okay, Igloo? Who's the other team?
It's called Step. Step?
Steps.
Steps. Come on, Scully! Nico, we need your help.
Nice, Steph.
He went early.
There we go.
Come on, Step!
Shit. Oh, nice play.
Settle.
Get in there, Ethan!
Oh, what
Nice look. Way to look, boys. Way to look.
Get it back, boys! Get it back!
Great ball movement, boys.
that was very nice.
Go, Steph. Do it again.
That was very nice.
You gotta run your fastest. You gotta help Ethan. Go on in, number 17. Help him out.
Come on,
They
Steph.
need to settle the ball and they're scoring.
Still in, Ethan!
Run it out.
Get it.
Beat him. It's a push, dude.
Go, Steph.
Go, bud!
Teamwork, teamwork, teamwork.
Settle.
Take him, Ethan! Take him! Take him! Play him now!
Oh, he's open middle.
Oh,
Shot.
Nice play. Oh, Cole.
Get in there, Ethan!
Nice. Pull it out.
Ethan, play him!
Let's go, pressure.
Watch 16, Ethan!
Got to catch some stick.
Man up. Let's go, Steph.
Take it up!
Let's go. Make a move. Come on.
How is that goal?
Because they're man down and there's like a minute and change to go.
Are you steps? Oh, but you're asking why.
I'm outlaws.
Oh, I'm like, you're asking why you're going back.
Yes, I'm asking.
Oh, I don't know.
You can add it as another defense. It's like in hockey. It's like in hockey when you kill the goalie. Same thing.
Yeah, but if they pass it right now.
But it doesn't matter, we're already down. You understand what I'm saying? If you're using an extra defenseman, we're already losing.
Take him now. That's it. Not a very good one, but
We thought it was over 2 or something.